everybody. I hope you all are super fine. Today I've come up with a video where I've covered some of the very trending audios which include some French phrases. So I thought why not to make a video and let you know what the actual wordings are. I know you have heard it many a times because it's too trending on Instagram, right? So let's find out the wordings here. So it's mix of Spanish, French and English. Starting with hola, which is a Spanish word and it means hello. Then comes the French and it says Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Not ou. Comment allez-vous, which means how are you? It's a formal way of saying how are you. Now coming to the second one, which I heard few days back, and so let's hear it once again. So this audio was also very trending on Instagram and it has a very beautiful message, and the phrase is que sera sera, which means whatever will be will be. This is a very beautiful song, my personal favorite, and with a very beautiful message. I hope you got it. Que sera sera. Bye.